Hi, this is Dr. Serg. So we've been talking about weight loss and what we need to do with this stubborn weight issue. So another factor we need to look at that is not really considered a lot by medical doctors or even the holistic functional doctors is the mind, the emotional, the psychological, the spiritual component. So most of us, if not all of us, have went through hardship in the past, had traumas, had stress, had issues. It could be family, work, and different things. So what we see a lot too in people who cannot lose weight is they had trauma in the past. Oftentimes, it's the first 5, 10 years of their life. They may have been raped or abused or molested, and you know the idea here. So those stressors, those emotional moments in their life had to be handled. They had to be processed. And oftentimes, when you're young like that, you don't know how to process that. You just push it aside. Your body just want to hide it really, really deep into the mind, so you don't have to process that. And oftentimes, those people don't really remember what happened to them. Or they may know somebody else. They don't really remember the whole detail, so they push everything back. So, and that can cause a trauma, your body to be that fight or flight. Again, it comes back to the adrenal stress hormone. So with those women, so we do some therapy, some talk therapy, some counseling, some evoc, some body code, whatever tools we need to utilize to help the mind and the body to process and eliminate and get rid of that trauma, that past, so they can be free again. When we do that, the weight comes down. We had a patient some time ago. She lost 5 pounds like in a week. And when we helped her process a moment in her life when she was a little girl, when she was abused by her dad, to let go of that moment. And then the body finally had time to free and process that, and she started losing some weight. So we need to talk about that as well. Actually, we need to talk about that for all health issues because there's always a trauma, psychological, spiritual moment or situation when it comes to health issues. It's all interconnected, the mind and the body. And there's a lot more science now and research done between the connection of the two, how the mind can really impact the whole body, how the mind can create sometimes pain, physical issues, and so on. So this is another big factor we need to unfortunately talk about, and it's not easy for those patients, but that's part of the healing journey. So thank you for watching and God bless.